Okay, so what's the answer?
I don't know the answer, but I know how to compute the answer, I think.
That's just as good.
I agree. You just substitute all the values that you have for that equation right there and see what happens.
Okay.
Let's do that. So let's see. Alpha is 0.1 times the reward, which is 0, plus 0.9 times the value, which of where we're headed up, which is 7, which was 8.
State 7, which has a value of 8, right?
Right. Minus the value of the state that we came from, which was 3, times the derivative, the value function with respect to that weight, which is as we recall from earlier, is just the weight, which was 1.
Good.
Right. So that would be 0.42.
Wow, can you really do that? That's impressive.
Yeah, 9 times 8 is 72 minus 3, so that's 42 times 0.1. Yeah.
Nice. All right, so yeah, 0.42. Very good. That means after that first update, weight 0 is actually going to get bigger. Maybe not, not a lot bigger, but a little bigger.
By exactly the 100th of the answer to life, the universe, and everything.
Oh, nice. Little Hitchhiker's Guide reference. Good. And that's what happens to weight 0. What happens to weight 1 after this particular transition from 1 to 7?
I don't know. I guess I'd have to stick everything in again.
No, you wouldn't. It's actually it's very simple because the derivative of the value function with respect to that other weight 2, is just the feature value of that associated with that weight. It used to be 1, but now it's 2. It's just multiplying everything here that we have here by 2.
Oh, that's true. Very good. 0.84.
So weight 0 is going to go up. Weight 1 is going to go up. What's going to happen after we do these other transitions? 2 to 7, 3 to 7, 4 to 7, 5 to 7, 6 to 7.
The very same thing. A very similar thing.
Yeah, ish, right? Because the weight 0 is going to be a little bit bigger than it was, right? It's going to get bumped up each of these times. But essentially everything is growing, and the weight 0 in particular is growing a lot, right? Because it's actually getting updated 6 times, and each of those times is by like 0.42-ish.
Plus a little bit more.
Right, plus a little bit more because it's actually accruing weight gain. I feel bad for it. I can relate to that. So that's what happens to the weights. They go up and up and up. So that's up to that's these first 6 updates, the updates of states 1 through 6 to state 7. What happens when we go from state 7 to state 7? Let's look at that.
Yeah, we could do that. But I hope happens is things start going down, because otherwise things are going to keep going up. Like housing prices.
Right, which seems problematic. Yes, and then you have a bubble, and then, the machine learning economy collapses.
No. Okay. Let's see what happens.